improve food security.
Ng'ikruok e chenro mar ndikruok e masine okumba mar SHA kata biometric registration emosemiyo migawo mar thieth osemono gi chopo e kwan ji madwarore. Kata kamano, jatend migawo mar thieth Deborah Baraza wacho ni gitiyo matek kendo gibiro kawo okang' mowinjore mar neno ni chenro mar Taifa Care otiyo kuonde duto pacho kae. To nyaka sani Jo-Kenya mokalo milion 18 osedonjo e chenro mar Taifa Care.
My team and I, the Social Health Authority, the Digital Health Agency, among others, to ensure that Taifa Care is going to be implemented countrywide and will have the fruits, people seeing the benefits of Taifa Care. So far, we've had more than 500,000 Kenyans having benefited. We've been able to pay various healthcare facilities that have again provided health services. And yes, we've had a few challenges, some of them being the system interruption challenges. But as you are all aware, like in the mobile banking industry, even when you look at other countries like UK, the NHS system, other systems in Canada, etc., system interruption is common.